Hi everyone, I'm going to make creamy chicken with mashed potato. And we have shredded cooked chicken here, garlic, onion, and I'm going to use also a smoked bacon. Butter with cornstarch and green beans. Have also here parsley and oregano. So let's start it. So the potato is cooking now, and yeah, we just wait that until it's soft. So first, heat up your pan. Heat already. Just add 1 tablespoon of butter. Then add the bacon. Okay, then add your garlic. Then onion. Now add the chicken. Add salt and pepper. Add dried oregano. Dried parsley. And just mix this. We just let this cover and 2 minutes. Then add the 1 cup of water with 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Then we just mix this. Then add 1/3 of cream. And 1 cup of chicken broth. Just let this boil a little bit. The rest of the broth. Now add the green beans. Okay, everybody, our creamy chicken, and it's really creamy now. It's really thick. Now it's cooked and we have to serve that. Okay, everyone, the mashed potato is we just going to serve now. I didn't make video with it because butter, salt, and pepper, and a little bit of milk. So yeah. And add in the top of it, so all the sauce is flowing into the mashed potato, so you can really get good flavor. And I have a Colby Jack here, so we just put in the top. Okay, just like that. Ready, that's our creamy chicken with mashed potato. Hope you like it. See you again. Bye bye.